Welcome back to Aroma of Eden. Number 1, Tommy Hilfiger, 1994. This is an EDT. Bergamot, grapefruit, lavender, mint, Granny Smith apple, rose, cranberry cotton. It's kind of like an air freshener for a room, but it's classic. You've definitely smelled this before, and it just fits so well on your fresh laundry right out of the dryer. I highly recommend it. I got it on sale, and I do not regret it. Number 2, Mont Blanc Individual. It came out in 2003. You've definitely heard of this one. It's got every ingredient in it: lavender, cardamom, coriander, mint, pineapple, rosemary, geranium, raspberry, dark chocolate, and so on and so forth. It smells like a fabric softener. There's no way around it. It's made for fresh laundry, and that's exactly what I use it for. It's not my very favorite, but it does fit in well on some clean socks. Okay, Banana Republic Slate is next. It came out in 2006. Simple ingredient list: clary sage, ginger, and with some citrus notes. Definitely a beachy vibe, definitely a clean vibe. When I wear this, it projects, it lasts for a long time, which is precisely why I would say put it on your laundry. It's gonna make your closet smell good, and you're gonna be happy that you did. And for $20, I cannot recommend this one enough. Club de Nuit, 2015. You already know it's a Creative Ventus clone. Bergamot, apple, pineapple, lemon, rose. I love this fragrance. I have no complaints about it. It's so strong that when you spray this on your fresh laundry, you know your closet's gonna smell good. If you're traveling, you know your luggage is gonna smell good. And importantly, it really pairs well with some other fragrances if it is on your laundry, but you kind of want to mix things up a bit. So I just love this fragrance on laundry. This next one, I can't say it's strong. That's my only complaint about it. Every other thing is great. It's Abercrombie & Fitch Authentic 2019, pink pepper, bergamot, grapefruit, lavender, sage, ginger, suede, clearwood, moss. It just smells clean and refreshing. Not much like a fabric softener, but it fits in with this bunch, and I think you'll know what I mean once you smell it. It's just kind of a refreshing fragrance. Last but not least, Dunhill Man. It came out in 2003. It's got lemon, geranium, iris, cedarwood, sandalwood. It's a lot like Mont Blanc Individual, only it's a little bit more gentlemanly, whereas Individual is a little bit more youthful. So this is kind of a fancy. You would expect to smell this on like a nice tie, a suit jacket, the inside of your suit jacket, but it just smells like a really nice clean fabric softener, and it fits in well with this list because of that. So there you go, top 6 fragrances to spray on your freshly cleaned fabric.